A new versatile headset from HP Poly. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us is Jennifer Adams, Senior Director of Hybrid Work Solutions. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, how are you?
Terrific. And what we're talking about today is the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC. Let's talk about some of the features that set these headphones apart.
Yeah, so the Voyager Surround 80 UC is kind of a special product for Poly. We've been making headsets for a number of years, as people have been, using a little bit more different types of technologies to communicate, more mobile phone usage, more using your computer as a phone. We've really tried to look at all the different use cases that people need to solve for with products. And so the Surround 80, as you would imagine, is creating kind of a surround audio experience. So it is a very immersive headset. You wear it over the head. It covers both of your ears. It actually sits over your ears, which it is a wearing style we call circumoral, which means it sits over your ears. And it actually creates this surround, area of focus so that, active noise canceling technology keeps out noise that might distract you that's happening in your environment. But great microphone array also keeps that noise from being transmitted on your calls to the far end. So I would say this is a great product for kind of somewhere in between the great for listening to music and focus work, but then also, really engineered for outstanding audio for calls as well.
And of course, there's still a lot of work from home going on, but these can be very valuable in the office environment as well.
Exactly. In fact, one of the things that we designed this headset to do was to comply with Microsoft's very strict open office standard certification for Microsoft Teams. So that actually is a very special certification that only a certain number of products can get, and they have to perform very, very well. And so this is one of the only or the first headsets that without a microphone boom that has passed that open office certification, which is very complicated to do because, a boom has physics with it, right? A boom brings the microphone closer to your mouth so that you can actually understand which noise is your voice and which noise is other things. So, being able to build in this microphone setup, which has 6 microphones, 4 for the ANC and 6 for actually the transmit and noise canceling capabilities, helps it really isolate the sound of your voice, even in loud environments, without a microphone boom.
Which is pretty remarkable. And a boom can be great, but at the same time, in some instances, depending on what's going on, it picks up more breathing sound and can really get in the way once in a while.
That's true. I mean, I think, some people just don't like the way it looks. So they say, oh, I feel like, I'm an operator or something when I have a boom. I've been a long time in the headset business. So for me, I really love the idea of what a boom can provide as far as noise canceling. But I would say this is probably the product that has come the closest in my time working in headsets to getting the same performance without a boom.
And tell us about the touch controls that are very easily reached on these headphones.
Yeah, so it's very cool that it's a very sleek design, as you can see, and it has kind of touch controls so that it actually is able to adjust your volume, call control, so answer and end your calls, as well as easily mute. So these are things that are really helpful, and it's important to be able to have that type of call control because you never know when you might need to pause or you might need to, to answer a call. And so those are things that this has, in addition to, sounding great, it also has those kind of call control functions that you would expect.
And there are some connectivity options here.
Yes, so you can connect this headset via Bluetooth to your mobile phone. So it can be used for mobile calls. I know a lot of my colleagues who use this headset, they travel with it. So it comes with a carrying case that you can store the headset. It actually has a cool feature that the case has a groove in it that you can actually place your mobile phone in it to watch movies. So it's actually kind of an added benefit. And so a lot of people have been using active noise canceling products on airplanes for many years. And so, business travelers are some of the highest adopters of those solutions. So this is something that, because it has that mobile phone connectivity, it can move with you on the go. It's great for, watching movies and listening to music when you're on the airplane and blocking out that loud airplane noise. But it also is great for using at work in the office. So it will connect to a USB dongle. So our USB adapter that helps provide the connectivity and the certification with Microsoft solutions. And it is, going to be something that can be used with your PC in addition to your mobile phone or a tablet, any device that has Bluetooth that is set up for headset usage.
Really terrific. And there's software that people can take advantage of here too, right?
Yes. So we have our Poly Lens software. So there's an app that you can get on your phone that helps you be able to manage some of your settings. You can manage your active noise canceling settings, and you can also do updates, things like that. We also have a desktop version of that if you want to use it on your PC as well. So it really does give you the ability to manage your device in addition to being able to have a great user experience.
You paid a lot of attention to the comfort level here. Tell me a bit about that. They are very comfortable.
Yeah, so I think one of the challenges that we find with headsets that are of this style is that just by nature, they tend to be a little bit heavier because they have a lot of pieces to them. And in order to provide as much immersive experience, there's a lot of materials. And so what we've really tried to do is understand where are the pain points in these products. One of the most common pain points for over-the-head headsets is actually the very top of your head. So, oftentimes that's a point where metal or some type of plastic that sits actually on that point can create a lot of discomfort over time, especially with a product that might weigh a little bit more. And so what we've done with this product is we've actually tried to make it as lightweight as possible using very lightweight materials. And we've also created a little notch you can see in the headband that actually means that it will never actually touch that point on the top of your head. And so it's really going to stay a little bit more comfortable. Now, in all fairness, I will say when your ears are covered for a long period of time, that can make them warm. That could, it's something that sometimes people get a little bit less comfortable over time. And so, it's always a good idea to kind of understand how long you need to wear a product, what the comfort level is for you. And, but, we're really trying to design it so that those pressure points won't be, a problem when you're wearing it.
And the cushioning is great too.
Yeah, the cushioning is very soft. It does kind of a dual thing. So it's soft to be able to provide a comfortable fit against your skin, but it also is breathable, but creates enough of a seal that it does a lot of passive noise reduction in addition to the active noise canceling that's happening through the speakers. It actually can create a fairly good seal to be able to block out some of those noises that might come in organically as well.
Tell us what we should know about pricing and availability.
So the Voyager Surround 80 is shipping now globally. The list price for the product is $449.95, and it is available on across retailers across the internet, as well as some of the great channel partners and resellers in the collaboration space.
For more info, where do we go?
You can always go to poly.com.
Terrific. Jennifer Adams, thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thank you.